boy Tony, and we're back again with a tea time video. And today I'm back down. You guys probably seen it in one of my other videos, down in this creek over here we have in town. And this one's a little bit interesting because this creek is connected to some of the lakes here in town. So when it floods, all this fish is being pushed down into this creek right here. So hopefully we're gonna try it out, see what we can catch. Only have a few hours again today, so we're gonna try to make it happen for you guys. All right, let's check it out. All right guys, we just made it down here. So the water is a little bit high. There used to be like a bank spot right down here, but it's kind of flooded, so that's covered up with water right now. So I'm sitting on a little bit higher than I wanted, but you know what, it's gonna work. We're gonna make it happen. Did stop at Walmart. I got some corn and I also got some worms. Oh, and some extra hooks, so don't forget that. We're gonna start out with, hopefully we can catch some bait. I know there's like some carp, I believe one of my buddies said there was shiners in there too, like gold eye shiners, something like that. I've never personally caught one, but I know they're really good catfish bait. I've heard there was flatheads in here, musky, so that's what we're gonna try and go for today. If I can get untangled. All right, just cast the first pole out. That has worms on it. The second pole, I'm gonna actually put some corn. Give that a try. All right, I got some corn on there. I'm just gonna cast this guy. Let's see here. Probably over to the right side here. There we go. All right. So I'm gonna let that guy sit. Got two poles out. Let's see what we can catch. This one looked like it's having a bite already. We're getting some type of action because, oh, what's going on? What's going on? I just had a hit on this pole. And my line started slacking a little bit. Some bait. Okay, so that's gonna push us. That's not gonna work right there. All right, well, let me just check it out and let it pretty much drift. Oh, yes, we're getting a bite. On. We have something. Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? It doesn't feel small. What is that? Better question, how am I gonna land this? That's a carp, it's a carp. Hold on. Oh, it's a good sized carp. Whew. I don't know where my bobber went. Why do I not have a fishing net? Oh, can I pull you up? Can I pull you up? It's up here. Okay. That was a good sized carp, guys. Okay. Hold on. Let me grab my bobber. Oh, so much is happening right now. Why is my bobber that way? Okay. Got the bobber. Is the worm on there still? Worm's still on there. You guys, look at this. Gosh, let me get some of these sticks out the way. I don't know if I've ever caught a carp on a circle hook before. Can't say if I have. Whew. Good sized carp. He's mad though, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh, what's the easiest way to do this? So we're gonna walk you all the way over here. Because I don't want to throw you and hurt you off the thing. First fish, you guys. Carp. All right, buddy. He's fine. Woo! Oh, there he goes too. I think that was him. I want to fish over here, but it's just way too muddy. I'm gonna fall in. We might give it a try. All right, guys. I'm gonna let one of my poles sit over here. I'm actually gonna go try over in this spot. I had a nut hit, but I didn't hook it. Took my bait. And I want to try this middle part because this is like the deepest part of this creek. Right here. Oh, this mud's pretty. Well, maybe not this part. This part's pretty deep. So we're gonna try this out. Yeah, that's like, it's a deep part over there. Maybe I don't need the bait clicker on. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's something back there moving. Oh gosh. It's a lot of them. So I think my bobber is trapped right now in like a little whirlpool. So it's actually staying still. But look back there. Ah, I know you guys can't see it. There's some splashers. Something's over there. Alright guys, I tried over there for maybe 20 minutes. Nothing. I had some bites, but I don't think they were anything big, except maybe one. But I lost it. I didn't get a good hook set on it. So I'm back over here where I first caught that carp earlier. I'm gonna try to do that again. Let that guy drift down as well. I was hoping to catch a bait fish so I can cut it up and use it, but don't think that's gonna happen today. I probably got like another hour of fishing before it gets too dark, which is fine. So guess we'll wait and see. All right guys, probably gonna pack it up here pretty soon. I got one rod that's out with corn right now. Then I got this one kind of just right here by the bank. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Is that it? Oh, I took it. What is it? It's on. What is it? Hey, it's a catfish. It's a catfish. It's a catfish. There it is. Look at that. Oh, that's a bigger cat. This is much bigger than the one I was catching yesterday too. Look at that, guys. right in the corner. Whew. Let me get... Alright guys, sorry for the noise. I'm right under a bridge right now. Just when I said that, a semi passed by. We got a carp earlier. As soon as we got here, it was like 10 minutes in, we got that carp. And I've been fishing maybe for an hour. Haven't got anything until, come on. Ooh, he's a little mad right now. This little channel cat right here. Nothing huge, but hey, this guy was still fun to catch. This was much bigger than the ones I was catching in my previous video. You guys seen me and my son Tiandre down in the other creek. Nice little chunk on him. Let me get a quick picture, and I'm gonna let this guy go. Alright guys, just got some photos with this little guy. I'm gonna throw this guy back. Fortunately, I'm gonna have to throw him from up here because it's really muddy. There we go. There he goes. Guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap today's video. My goal was to kind of come out here and either catch a flathead or a musky, because I know they've been caught in this creek before. It didn't happen, but hey, I got a carp, one carp, and that channel cat. So wrap it up. It was a good day. I had a good evening. Remember guys, if you guys like what you see, please hit the like button, comment below, turn on the bell notification so you guys can get the video right away when I upload them. Share with your friends, family, and again guys, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure.